Guys, we've got a crazy new addition to the channel. I'm so happy. So let's get it opened. Once we get inside, there's some interesting packaging. Let's get it all out. Oh, I can see it in there. Getting exciting. Let's get the rest opened. Oh, guys, it's looking amazing. Relatively small build plate there, but still definitely big enough for what I'm going to be doing. So here it looks like we've got spool holder. Absolutely no idea. No idea. And a printer. So I've never had a 3D printer before, so this is very new to me. But thankfully, comes with instructions. So we'll figure it out. This thing looks so cool. There's a little touch screen there. Looks like instructions, and yeah, I'm pumped. Now it's not the combo, so I'll only be needing one of those 4 holes. But it does come with the stuff you need. Like, where is it? Here. It's got a little bit of test filament. It's got 20 grams. And then it's also got this, I forgot what it's called. It's got a weird name. But it's pretty much the filament goes through that and feeds into there. Goes down into the nozzle, and yeah, all done. Ooh, cute little camera in there. Instructions say there's some accessories. They're just in a little accessory box on the side, so it's got a bunch of stuff in there. I think it's got everything you actually need to get that printer running. So, let's get started. Remove zip tie? Okay. But first, we've got to take that black piece off. Oh, that sounds nice. But also something I noticed with all the screws, that looks like Loctite to me, which is very surprising to see on a part that's not very needed. Lock heat bed, tighten the screws. I think I can do that. Install the purge wiper. That should be easy. Okay, seriously, they literally say like the purge wiper, the spool holder, and then for scraper and stuff. Like, geez, this is very, very good. I'm very happy. Install spool holder? Well, looks like we're getting close, guys. We're even at the middle of the booklet. And yeah, powering on. That's the next step. That's pretty exciting. But yeah, let's get that done. Well, we're done on the spool holder. Now it's time to power it on. So, power on. Not plugged in. Alright, for real this time. Turn it on. Made a little sound but did nothing. Oh. That looks like what I need. Very much what I need. But of course my phone won't focus on the screen. So, I'm guessing, say start. It says, just turn it on. Leave a safety margin. Okay, I will bring it out further. It will not hit a wall. Needs a safety margin of 150 mil. That's more than 150. Okay, what am I meant to do? I've started it, and now I'll get the app. Just covering the QR code so you guys can't scan. So yeah, I've done some stuff and now it's, I'm guessing, calibrating. Now, we've got some other stuff as well. So it came with this interesting little box, which has a remote, instruction things, and 2 LEDs. Now, I've got no idea what they're for. They've got double-sided tape to stick them down. But once I put in batteries, there'll be colourful LEDs. So, yeah, that's one thing. The next looks like a clock. So I'll show you inside that. So this is interesting. Okay, my printer obviously just finished its update. But, you got the clock mechanism, clock hands, looks like washers, nuts and stuff. I don't know what that big black thing is, looks like a washer. Then you got the nuts in the back, and then instructions. So I'm guessing there is a file somewhere on the Bambu website, maybe? I don't know. It says there's a QR code for it to print. I don't know, so we'll see about that, but there's more. So for the next one, it's a bunch of little candles. No idea why. There's just a bunch of little fake candles. And they light up. Don't know why I got given them though, but I can't argue. I got free stuff. We've got a card shuffler. Now, I don't know what it means by card shuffler. Maybe playing cards, but we'll see. Now, inside there are bearings, more bearings, looks like O-rings, and a bunch of screws. So, I'm a bit confused about that, and there are no instructions, but it is from Bambu Lab, so there should be something on the app.